Often I have felt the pain hearing of a person of African descent offing a person of African descent. Question: they hate us, they wield unjust things against us. If we do the same, what do you think our perpetuality will be? It is high time we reconnect with our reality, a reality that is woven into these videos that Rev-Kev and The Root are about to drop. So tune in, let us know what you think, and we hope that you will adjust your perception and really see what's really going on for those who have not adjusted their perception to see what's really going on in our society. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and happy holidays.
You have misrepresented the warrior within you, because you have believed the narrative that is cleverly spun about.
Well, show me the way.
You have misrepresented the warrior because you have believed the narrative. Show me the way, and I shall.